you guys. I have a few things to do, but I want to enjoy it too. So hopefully I can get a few people rounded up. We can hang out, and I'll be able to vlog everything, so you guys will be able to see everything. My exit, there's always something to eat here. My favorite's In-N-Out right here. So it's pretty bomb, I ain't gonna lie. In the middle of nowhere, grub, and hit the road again. There it is, there it is. There it is. Everything's here, guys. Even there's an old town right here. You missed In-N-Out. There it is. There's even a line here, you guys. Look at this. We're gonna go inside. I love taking this car on road trips, you guys. It's such a amazing car. Just so comfortable, relaxing. Makes you want to take long road trips. Alright guys, there it is. Wifey got Flying Dutchman. I got me my animal fries, raw chopped onions, and a double. Guys, I do have to say In-N-Out is bomb. I know when you have this craving at home, wherever you are, local, you're just like, I want In-N-Out, it's bomb. On the road trip, In-N-Out, it's bomb too. And it's the perfect set. Like, I'm full, I'm ready to drive another 6 hours, you guys. I might pass Sacramento, go to Oregon or something. I was just kidding, I got hella work at Sac. Plus, I got a surprise. Y'all see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring something back. You guys, check out that half a car. Looks like a Civic. Alright guys, check out what I got. Hell yeah, you can't go wrong with seeds. Okay, that's not for me, but whatever's good. Popcorn. Got some Snack Club Tropical Trail Mix. Not for me either. This is all I got, guys. I'll rock that. Oh, and guess what? I got this too. I got two. It's supposed to be cheap, but if you get two, but I don't give a shit. I'm drinking two. Alright guys, it's getting dark now. We've been driving for like 4 hours at least. Got another 2 hours left, and we'll be in Sacramento soon. So, I didn't sleep tonight. I drove 6 hours to Sacramento. I didn't sleep tonight. I went to DMV early morning. I want to say like 2 hours ahead, so I can be like the first one. And I got a few things done. I did get the most important thing. This is why I came all the way to Sacramento for, guys. This. You guys know what this is? That's for the M3. I've been waiting since November. I ordered this in November. It got there in like February. It took, I don't know, I couldn't get it because too much issues, and then all this COVID happened, and it's been there for so long, and they were nice enough to actually get it out. They're supposed to mail it, but the dude was so nice. We were talking, and he just hooked it up. But now I got this. I'm gonna put it on the car. It's gonna look better. We got hungry, so I had to stop by, and I saw Taco Bell, so I'm gonna go for it, you guys. I did my little my Taco Bell breakfast right here. Those are loaded potatoes. We got the crunch wrap with bacon, egg, hash brown, and some sweets. Guys, I'm tired. I've been running around all day. I didn't even get any sleep last night. But it's cool. I got a lot of things done. I'm so thankful. I can't wait to get back. Here's the cool part, you guys. So I wanted to throw a little surprise, get a few people together, you know. There's this place called Dutch Bros here in Sacramento, and that's pretty much like a really cool Starbucks, you know, for everyone to gather, hang out, whatever. They have really good drinks too. And I wanted to throw something little, you know, maybe get a few people that I know, but it kind of went a little viral, and I'm getting a lot of messages, so I don't know who's gonna show up, how many people is gonna show up, but it's gonna be cool. You get to at least see me, we get to hang out and chill, and we'll grab some coffee or tea, whatever. But I'll vlog it so you guys can check it out. This is my boy's whip. This one does not care about this car at all. He used to have a wet ass lip on it. It's missing. I don't know what he did. I know he just got these tires because he raped them, and then he blew the diff. By the way, that's real burnt tips. That's high RPM. This trunk is dope too, though. Man, he don't care. Look at this. He don't give a shite. But he has too much fun with this, so I feel him. I would too, shit. Push it to the limit. But I can't. This is my commuter right here. From city to city. I drive, I don't know, man, like 300-400 miles at a time with this thing. So I don't beat on it. Alright guys, so he ain't here yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and go with the story. This looks like it was towed. It's been sitting here for a while. There was a lot of cups right here. They had a little Fiesta right here, right on the hood of an E60 M5 with a V10 motor underneath this hood. We'll find out when it gets here though. Can't believe that lip's missing, bro. It was such a beautiful lip, bro. You could stand on it. It used to come out to like here. Like literally, man. You could stand on it and it wouldn't fall off. I don't know what he did. We'll find out when he gets here. Guys, Bug Central. I got bugs for days right now, you guys. Look at that. I need to clean this car. Guys, check it out. Look what I got. It's got a nice little wash. I was getting it washed. Ronnie! How are you? I got something for you, man. How you been, Ronnie? Everything good? That's good, man. Take care. Oh, man, I haven't seen Ronnie in so long, you guys. I used to live in Sacramento. I had a shop all the way over there, and he works in the areas, and yeah, he is homeless. He doesn't have a house. I always helped him out, so that was nice to see him, guys. But I do miss the M3, you guys. Oh my God. Look at this thing. Hell yeah. Take care, Ronnie. Guys, I realized I need some gas, and I'm down the street. I see Ronnie walking, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get him some water. And I feel like he's dehydrated. It's pretty hot out. Where's the water at? Where's that water? There it is. Let's do this, guys. 1 and 2. It's been a while since I put gas in the M3, guys. Come on, Ronnie, you can do it. You guys, I just got Ronnie some water. And he's gonna be excited. He's walking up right now. You can see it. I'll just walk up. What's up, Ronnie? 2 in a row. I know you're thirsty, man. All right. Enjoy that, okay? It's always nice to give, guys. I don't care what you're going through, what anyone else is going through. Someone's always going through something, so nothing beats giving, you guys. Now I know he's gonna be hydrated when he walks all the way down there. He's walking, and he'll make it. He'll be fine. He's been doing it for years. I've seen him in the last 5, 6, 7 years, so thank God. Guys, check this thing out. I'm at my homeboy shop, and they're building an M4. They're still not done. This thing looks sick. Kong, what are you doing?
Junk!
Junk? Okay, it's junk. He calls his M4 junk. He's Putting the suspension on, looking good. Man, these red goats are hella nice. And by the way, this is pearl white. You don't really see that. It's really nice. Some Warsteiners. It's got a real M Performance exhaust, the real one, yo. With valves and everything, all the way down pipes, you name it. Look at the suspension, KW. You ain't getting no KW. Can't wait to see this thing live. We're going to a car meet, yo. A pop-up car meet in Sac-Town. It started with just let me see my fam, you know, a few people here and there. It got bigger. So I don't know who's gonna be there, but I'm getting a lot of messages and it should be a nice turnout. I'm here with my boy Isaac. And I'm gonna show you guys the sick whips that pull up. Hopefully there's some exotics that pull up too. 740 right there. Uh-oh. Trouble's here, trouble's here. What happened, Mark? He's done, he's walking away. Man, look at this wing, reminds me of my M3. It's so nice. Wow. Man, that's the NSX life, you guys. Stick shift and everything. This is an Acura exotic. Look at this color, guys. Really nice. The hood's different too. It's really nice. Look at the roll cage.
I don't want to ride like this. This is right around this weather.
Man, that's nice. That's really nice. Man, this scoop is nice too. You cut through the window?
No, it's what's that?
Oh, damn. That's what's up. That's nice. The color's badass, bro.
That's actually him. He's the one over there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Those tips are sick too, in the middle. Uh-oh. We got more people pulling up.
Right when video on your
What's up?
Oh my god, actually I don't know about the 06.
You guys, this thing is so nice. You guys know me and Corvettes. Love them, especially a Zeo, bro. This thing is what? This Evo's rare too. You don't really see them, you guys. It's good now? Hell yeah. Look at this thing. You just want to track it. You sit in this thing.
Oh my god, I remember Biggie every time.
Look at that wing, you guys. Even this exhaust tip. That's nice. What? Look at this Alpino out. 750, you guys. What's up, guys?
What's going on?
This Alpino look good, huh?
Is this yours?
This is Mike's. You guys, I didn't think it was gonna be this big. This whole parking lot's full already. Literally, I just got here. Look at this paint right here. Either it's a wrap or a paint job, but it looks good. Oh my God, they're still pulling up, dude. This thing looks good. Oh my God. Nice, fresh. Very nice. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Nice 5-0. Thing is fresh.
Right?
Man, this thing is nice. Love it. I got an F10 too, man. I didn't bring it today.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the intakes. That's badass. Love it. It's a 5.5, huh?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Very nice.
Tuning. You know anybody?
I know Gentani. 335 wheels right here. Ooh, the paint on these wheels are nice. You guys, there's so much people. I did not expect this in groups. This 550 is wet, by the way. Oh, check this thing out. That hood though. Really nice. Damn, look at these wheels, you guys. Roadie for 'em all day on a B5. What's up, guys? Damn, those tips are huge. Real nice. So, yo. Diesel gang right here. Ooh. That's going in the car, bro. It's gonna smell good. Thank you.
Black ice.
Little coal.
Little coal roller.
Roller right there. There it is. Hell yeah. Yeah, this thing is nice too, man. Diesel only, guys. Diesel only. Burnt tips all day. Looking fresh. It's that hatchback look. You can do a lot with this thing. Yeah? Look at the ball right there, toe ball. Man, what is it? 4 lanes full? People still coming. Man, this thing is sick too. Got the matching wheel color. Carbon hood. What's up, guys?
What's up?
This thing's nice, you guys. Damn, this wing is crazy. What the hell? That thing's badass. Taillights are nice too. Manual. Yo, look at this flat black one right here. That's a real one. Looks like a comp too. What's up?
How's it going?
How you doing, brother? Hey, I heard that shit. That shit
How do you
sounds
like it?
so good. Oh my god. My favorite exhaust, bro. We'll keep it going. E92 versus F80. Akrapovic. I don't know what it has. Oh, no, he didn't. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Man, look at this color, you guys. You guys remember this car? In one of the vlogs, it was the Champagne Quartz Metallic. He just put an Akrapovic exhaust on it. It's so badass. This thing is sick, bro. Straight up. What's up, Envision? What's up, bro? How you doing? Can't go wrong with a G-Wagon, bro. Homeboy brought the M5 out. He went and picked it up. He went and got it. Keep him coming, keep him coming. That's it right there. Oh, there's another M5 right there. We actually have the police pull up. Man, everybody's scattering. There's that M5 right there too. it's so loud. Oh snap. You guys know what that is? That's the real one. That's so badass, bro. Straight up. I love it, G.
I didn't even know you were here, man.
Yeah? Alright, so the cop told us to get the hell out. He ain't going nowhere. He's just chilling right there, you guys. He told everybody to leave, so he's probably gonna get out of his car and mess with everyone until they leave. Angry Birds. Drop the Angry Birds one. Yeah. Damn, more cops pulling up. This is crazy, you guys. I did not expect this. Game right there. You guys, this is crazy. There's so many cars. Everybody's trying to get out. They're all blocked off right now. And the cops are all the way in the back right there. I think mine were Warsteiner. I don't know what these are. Man, this M6 is so sick, you guys. Look at that thing, wow. Guys, I do have to say I'm impressed at Sacramento. I cannot believe how many people actually showed up, you guys. Like, look at this lineup. I can't believe this, you guys. This is awesome. It was supposed to be a low-key meet too. Man, 335 game right there. Probably full here already. Guys, right here. The Angry Bird. Alright, guys. Here's the Angry Bird. Looking fire. His meat's on fire too, you guys. So many people. I don't know what all these people are waiting for right here. I'm leaning on Jake. Damn on Jake. Hey babe, you good? I don't know if you can find parking. Just look on that side. Where's that guy? He's getting it though, There it is. He got it. Hey guys, this yellow is so nice on the 458 Italia. I love it. Look at this thing.
Wait, what's the turn? This one right here?
right now. We're gonna go to dismantle cord. You guys ready to have some fun?
Yeah, we're meeting up there.
Alright. Damn, is that an RS8? Everybody's ready. Oh my God. We got a line up in the back too, straight up. I love this F80, guys. One of my favorite sounds, Akrapovic. Badass. What are that F80 flies, bro?
No, watch, watch.
Whoa! There it is! I gotta get next to him, bro. That's it, bro. Damn, you still see flames, G. Damn. Yo, we just got to my signature spot. This is a spot in Rancho where we do our thing. And everybody wanted it, so we had to drop the location. Tesla's about to swing. Andre, show us what your M3 can do.
Get that champ. Go redline it. Hey, let's hope it doesn't redline it.
Hey, it's so silent. It's so silent.
Look, I didn't even hear it.
That's drift mode. Just got kicked out, guys. We outie. Hey, what happened to your car? What happened? What'd you guys do? Guys, I'm driving the manual one. It's been a while, but I'm just parking it. Alright guys, so I'm driving back to LA. We're done with the meet. It was a really nice turnout. I'm so thankful for everybody who showed up. Thank you very much. It was fun. Everything was safe. We did run into a couple of cops here and there, but so far so good. I talked to some of the people. It's all right. A couple slaps on the wrist. We're good. But I'm about to drive 6 hours, you guys, literally. So I'm here at Dutch Bros. I'm gonna get some Dutch Bros, get me a caramelizer, and it's gonna get me home. We just head out from Sacramento. Probably like 10 minutes in driving, but I wanted to say I took the M3, you guys. I'm bringing the M3 to LA. I left the M5 in Sacramento, and I do miss the E90 sedan, man. It's so fun driving the 4-door M3. It's a V8, really small, it gets around, and it's a really nice ride. So it should be a cool one. I'll probably just enjoy it a little bit in LA, and then I'll switch back with the M5.
Yeah.
93. Guys, I can't believe I brought the M3. I miss driving this thing. Such a nice ride. They got me some jerky, yo. Garlic chili pepper. Let's see what that's gonna be about. Guys, I did a quick car wash on this thing. So look at this. There's spider webs here, you guys. I can't believe I had this car sitting for, how long was it? Like 3 months, 4 months, just chilling. I'm gonna do a nice little wash when I get back to LA. You guys, I forgot how cheap gas is, or the M3. 41 bucks, 13 gallons. What the hell are you? I forgot how little this tank is, bro. I'm used to the M5. M-Power, M-Power, M-Power. M-Power gang. 151 miles left, guys. I'm tired. 4 hours driving. Finally, guys, we're exiting. 5 a.m. We drove all